Come test drive the 2020 XT6. The Cadillac XT6 crossover maintains the luxury you expect from a Cadillac with the additional functionality that third-row seating provides. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, 6-passenger seating, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.